Even in the desert, we're boondocking. We're in we just left California, and we crossed over into, where are we at?
Arizona.
Quartzsite, Arizona. So Shannon found some BLM land we could boondock on. And so we're over here, and the sun's setting over those mountains.
Pretty.
And I'm grilling some hamburgers. We're gonna do smash burgers, but we got lazy. We're just doing some quick hamburgers and cheeseburgers. So sauteing some onions. And really the only thing I'm using today, since it's an overnighter, is the spatula, the fork, and the scraper. So minimal stuff I gotta clean up. And of course the grapeseed oil, sea salt, pepper, etc. This is not so much a how-to video, just a, hey, how's it going? We're in the desert, it's gonna be cold tonight, and we're still using the Blackstone. All right guys, talk to you later.